Nothing changes, you multiply like normal. So those of you that worked those 3 questions on the back, it's exactly that. So if you have 45.12 and let's say 47.2. The first thing I want you to remember is you do not have to line up the decimals. The decimals do not have to line up. Do not have to line up. The decimals do not have to line up. So here's one decimal here, and here's the other one. Please don't add zeros to make them line up. That's where mistakes happen when you're dealing with lots of zeros. Then you multiply like normal, like it's 4,512. You multiply like decimals aren't there. So multiply like decimals are not there. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1? 2 times 5? 2 times 4? Plus 1? Good. I put a placeholder 0. I'm done with the 2. 7 times 2?
14.
7 times 1?
7.
Plus 1?
8.
7 times 5? So put a 5. Carry the 3. 7 times 4? 28 plus 3. Third line, this is where a lot of people mess up. It's 2 zeros. 4 times 2. 4 times 1. 4 times 5. Put a 0, carry the 2. 4 times 4. Plus 2. 18. And that's 4, 6, 16, 19, 2, 12. Nope, I messed up somewhere. 4, 6, 16, 10, 15, 19, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put a 1. Oh wait, but the 1? No. There we go. 8, 9, 10, 11. And that's 2. So 2, 1, 2, 9. This is why it's important to line them up. I didn't do a good job of lining them up.
I thought you said you had to line them up.
Your digits, when you're adding, you should. Then you count how many numbers are behind the decimal in the problem. Count decimal places in the problem. So how many do I have in this part? 2. And how many in this one? 1. What's 2 plus 1?
3.
Okay. The last thing I'm going to, well, not the last thing. I count from the right over that many spaces. Your answer has to have that many spaces. So 3, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. There's where my decimal goes. And the last thing is it a positive or a negative? What's the sign? And we have that whole multiplying, so a negative times a positive, or what do y'all do? That little crisscross thing? A positive times a negative is a, and a negative times a positive is a, and a negative times a negative is a, so you have your positive diagonal. Or, like in the song we just watched, if the signs are different, it's negative. If the signs are the same, it's positive. Same signs, positive. Different signs, negative.